Hi guys, it's Fiona from Currys, and today we're going to show you some of the stuff that stands out on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It captures even more detail, especially at night. You can retouch and sketch like a pro using the S Pen, and it keeps everything running smoothly. We're going to head to the lab now and have a look at things in a little bit more detail. It's seriously kitted out in the camera department with 4 cameras on the back, including this one, which is a 200 megapixel wide angle camera, which packs so much detail into each picture from corner to corner. I'm going to take a picture of this plant now just to show you how much detail you can get. They're so high res that you can zoom and crop your shots and end up with a whole new photo that is just as sharp. Not to mention, it's really good at shooting in low light too. It boosts colour and sharpens detail that can often blur in darker settings, and it leaves you with really clean and clear photos. I'm going to take one now if we take the lights down and show you. It puts the power of an edit suite in your hand, and it gives you a tool to go with it too. The S Pen lets you trim and edit photos and videos with precision. It also makes drawing and sketching feel really natural, and you can use it to control the camera remotely so you can get in that group shot too. It's ideal for everything you do, whether work, play, or anything in between. It's running on a really powerful processor, so you can game and stream without interruptions. Plus, it's got a huge battery, which will keep you going for longer. If you'd like more info on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, then visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.